Good morning, students. Now we are going to study about the next one part from human health and diseases, that is cells of the immune system. The immune system means it is the disease resistance power of the human body. Now in this immune system, cells are involved. Okay, there is no different organs or different tissues, only cells are involved, and these cells are first one that is lymphocytes and second one that is antigen presenting cells. Okay, means those cells involved in the maintenance of human immune system. These cells are first one lymphocytes and second one antigen presenting cells. Okay, now in case of these first cells, that is T lymphocytes. Okay, in case of the lymphocytes are of two types. First one is T lymphocytes and second one is the B lymphocytes. Okay, now these are actually the one of the type of WBCs. What is lymphocytes? It is one of the type of WBCs. We already studied in the circulation. Okay. Now these lymphocytes, these are formed from the stem cells. Which stem cells? That is, these stem cells are hemocytoblast. Which cells? Hemocytoblast. These are the stem cells. Now in case of fetus, okay, these are present in the liver. Where these are present? These are present in liver. And in case of adult, these are present in the bone marrow. Means inside the bone marrow, these are present. Okay. Now these stem cells are very important, from which there is formation of the lymphocytes. Okay. Now these lymphocytes, these are of two types. See, lymphocytes are of two types. First type is the T lymphocytes and second one type is the B lymphocytes. Okay. Now T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes, these T lymphocytes are responsible for CMIS. What is CMIS? C for cell, M for mediated, I for immune and S for system. Cell mediated immune system. And these B lymphocytes, these are involved in AMIS. A for antibody. Antibody mediated immune system. Okay. The two types of the immunity, these are developed by these two different lymphocytes. Okay. Now first one is the cell mediated immunity. It is developed by T lymphocytes, and antibody, or it is also called as humoral immunity. What it called as humoral immunity? It is developed by the B lymphocytes. Okay. Now in case of these T lymphocytes, now these T lymphocytes, how the action takes place? Okay. That is mechanism of the action. Mechanism of the action of T lymphocytes. What happened? These T lymphocytes, when it come into contact of the antigen. What is antigen? Antigen is the foreign substance. Okay. And this foreign substance antigen, when lymphocytes came into the contact of this antigen, these T lymphocytes form the clones. What it form? Clones. Now clones means duplicate copies. Okay. Here nearly about 4 types of the clone cells, these are formed by these T lymphocytes. Okay. Now these 4 types of the clones, these are first one, that is helper T cells. Okay. Second one, killer T cells. Helper T cells, second type killer T cells. Third one, suppressor cells. Okay. And fourth one is memory cells. Which cells? Memory cells. Actually, helper T cells, killer T cells, suppressor cells and memory cell. These are actually T lymphocytes, but these are the clone T lymphocytes. See, the first one type of clone, that is helper T cell, second killer T cell, third suppressor, and fourth one is the memory cells. Okay. Now, these helper T cells, they form lymphokinases. What they form? They form lymphokinases. Now, these killer T cells, they directly attack on pathogen. Okay, is how these cells try to protect the body. Helper T cells first form the lymphokinase, and these killer T cells directly attack on the pathogen, and then this pathogen is destroyed. Okay. Now these suppressor cells, according to their name, the action is also same. They suppresses the pathogen. Okay. Due to the suppression, there is no possibility to development of the pathogen further. That is, they suppress the pathogen activity, and memory cells, they retains the memory. Means which type of pathogen, how this pathogen infects, such type of memory, it is retained by the memory cells. In this way, the first these T lymphocytes, it is responsible for the cell mediated immunity, and first it forms with the exposure of antigen. 4 types of the clone cells, that is, first one helper T cell, second one killer T cell, third one suppressor cells, and fourth one is the memory cells. Okay. Now what happens in case of the B lymphocytes? Okay. Now what is the mechanism of action of B? This is the mechanism of T lymphocyte. Okay. It is the mechanism of T lymphocyte. Now second one, here is the mechanism of B lymphocyte. Okay. Now when B lymphocyte, it come into the contact of antigen, this B lymphocyte, it undergoes rapid multiplication. Okay. What it form? It form the rapid multiplication, and there is formation of antibodies in plasma and memory cells. See, there are somewhat difference in the mechanism of action. First one, these lymphocytes undergoes rapid multiplication, and there is formation of antibodies in plasma and memory cells. And these antibodies, they become free antibodies in blood. Okay. And now these free antibodies, they perform 3 type of action. The first one action, it is agglutination. Which type of action? Agglutination. Second one action is opsonization, and third one action is immobilization. Okay, in this way. These are the 3 actions. Now, in case of agglutination, here is the clotting of the toxins. Means toxin get agglutinate, immobilization takes place. This opsonization means coating of the bacteria. Means bacteria cannot perform their toxins or toxic activity in the human body. And immobilization means here is the mobility or movement of bacteria, it is prevented. Okay, movement of bacteria is prevented. Now in case of this, the T lymphocytes and B lymphocytes perform this action, while these antigen presenting cell, these are very sensitive, or they send the signal to the helper T cells. Means antigen presenting cell also destroy the pathogen, by engulfing the microorganism. Means they engulf the microorganism. Okay. And due to the engulfing, what happened? These antigen presenting cell, they create the signals, stimulatory signal. Okay. And these stimulatory signals, these are towards the helper T cells. Okay. Now in this way, in case of the cells of the immune system as like other system, it is not a system that we can draw, here is the structure, or we can draw on the paper, that is as like other systems. Okay, it is nothing but the only cells are involved in this. Okay, and these cells are of two type. First one type is lymphocytes, second one type is antigen presenting cell. Okay, now lymphocytes are actually the type of WBC. Okay, and there are two types of the lymphocytes, first one T lymphocyte and second one B lymphocyte. Both these cells having different type of mechanism of action. First one, T lymphocytes perform the action. It when come in contact with antigen, these T lymphocytes form their clones. And these clones, in which first one, helper T cell, killer T cell, suppressor cell and memory cell. In this way, these four cells perform their action. And in case of B lymphocytes, mechanism of B lymphocytes is, for these B lymphocytes multiply rapidly, and after the multiplication they form antibodies. And these antibodies are formed in plasma and memory cells, and after that these antibodies becomes free antibodies. Okay, and these free antibodies perform the action of agglutination, then opsonization and the immobilization. Okay, now in this way all these cells, they try to destroy the pathogen by their different actions and to protect the body from the infection. Different types of pathogens try to infect the human body and to create the certain type of the diseases, and these cells prevent these pathogens entry or destroy these pathogens by different mechanism of action and protect the human body. Okay, thank you.